When using Bluetooth headphones or speakers with your Samsung Galaxy S23, you may notice audio lag or delay issues. This is characterized by sound being slightly out of sync with video or gameplay. The choppiness can ruin your listening experience. Thankfully, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to fix Bluetooth audio delay on the Galaxy S23 and dramatically improve sync. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Restart your phone and Bluetooth device. As simple as it sounds, restarting your Galaxy S23 and the connected Bluetooth accessory can help. This resets connections and often resolves intermittent issues like audio delays. To restart your Galaxy S23, hold down the power button and the volume down key until the power options show. Select Restart and confirm you want to reboot. While your phone is rebooting, restart your Bluetooth device as well. In most cases, you just need to hold down the power button to power it down, and then hold it down again to power it up after a few seconds. Put your devices near to each other. Bluetooth range is up to 30 feet without obstructions. Being too far from your connected Bluetooth device can cause connection instability, which leads to delayed audio playback. Make sure your Galaxy S23 is within range of the Bluetooth speaker or headphones you have paired. Keep your phone in the same room and within several feet for optimal performance. Stuttering is likely if the devices are far apart or separated by walls. Also check that the paired device is not experiencing low battery levels, as low power can affect connectivity. Reset all settings. Resetting all settings is a last resort troubleshooting step that can fix many problems, including uneven speaker volume. When you reset all settings, it will erase all of your custom settings, but it will not erase your personal data, so you don't need to back up anything. To do it, launch Settings and tap General Management. Scroll down and tap Reset. Then select Reset All Settings. Enter your PIN or password if prompted, and then tap Reset Settings to proceed. Your phone will reboot once the settings reset is finished. After that, the problem should already be fixed. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.